In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download music or play songs on your iPhone device offline.
Do you want to learn how to create content online and save hundreds of hours per year? Click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial.
This is going to be a little bit of a long video because I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. I'll break this down easily though. Alright, let's get right into it. Go to YouTube or wherever you want to find the song or music piece that you like to download or play offline. So in this case, I'm going to download this video right here that I'm going to turn into a song. Once you downloaded the video or music piece that you'd like to convert or play offline, the next step is to go to the App Store and then type in CapCut Video Editor. If you already have it, then you're going to want to download it and then open up CapCut. You're going to log in here, and if you don't want to, if you have, click over here and then click the Edit tab. Click New Project and then locate the music track or piece that you want to play offline. So now you want to edit or trim down the video or music piece, but if you're fine and happy with this, then you're going to click Export right here. Then you want to export this onto your phone and then click Other and then Save Video, or you can save it directly to the file directory, and in this case we're just going to click Save Video. Next up is we want to open up the App Store again and then type in this Media Converter, and you're going to want to download this application right here. And in this case I already have a download, so we're going to open it. And basically what this app does is you can see what we can convert our video to audio. So we're going to click the second option right here, and you're going to locate your most recent video that you want to save or that you want to play to music offline. In this case it's going to be right here on the top right hand screen. And you wouldn't want to touch or mess around with the settings unless if you really want to. And then we're going to be converting it to an MP3 file. So this looks pretty good, and we're going to click right here, Export. Just click the second option unless if you want this 100 times speed, and click Start. And now we converted video to MP3, so click on it and then click on the More option. And now we have a couple more options. You can save this to your photos, but we're going to click the third option, which is Send Open In. And we're going to scroll down and we're going to click this Save to Files. Click back if it's on the iCloud drive, and you want to save this onto iPhone under Locations. And in this case you can save it to right here, and then you want to click Save. And then now open up the Files tab or the application on your phone and then click. And as now you can see, we have the audio file. Bonus tip is if you want to create this and save it under a specific folder, you can right click here, click New Folder, and we're going to name this Music. And then you can even create another folder if you would like. And when you go back, hold your audio piece and click Move or Copy. And in this case we're going to click Move, and then click on my iPhone, Music, Hardstyle, and click Move.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.